This 2025 Winnebago Ekko 22A is a Class C RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features a Veredis, sage, green slate interior, sleeps 2, TV, refrigerator, air conditioning, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.